boys right behind him, and that two-step error.
If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Suck your ass.
Hey on boy. Okay, Jingo.
Shit.
Got a very bad feeling about this.
I don't.
I'm aroused. You gave it a shot.
I reckon you're just a quitter.
Okay, Jack, prove me wrong. Look at that.
I don't have to prove you wrong. I think it looks sick. I think you're going to get the straight cred you deserve, and that girl from high school is going to finally message you and be like, "Oh my god, Nathan, oh, your car's so sick. I always wanted to go with a Mercedes, but your Honda, it's just so hot. Because you stole your brother's BBS's. Shit, cunt. Shit yourself."
Bro, that fitment's kind of crazy. Yeah, no, we're gonna rub too much.
Looks sick. No, what do you mean rub too much?
Cool. Is that done?
Yeah. By a bee's dick! And bee's dick! Where's my face?
What about this? Yeah. Dude, I think it's... Nah, it's not worth it. Not risking it.
Really?
It's gonna shave.
And?
Dude, that's fucking hot though.
Distant memories, heartbreak melodies. I cannot wait to see you again. To see see you again.
Top end doesn't sound real happy.
That doesn't seem good.
We love it, we love it.
Casual Evo.
Up next.
First time with a freshly built car.
Cam
Pushing hard. Mike White right behind him in that two-step garage. E46 BMW. Both the boys.
Mike Lake did a great job trying to keep proximity here around. Maybe he'll loosen up towards the end of the night, but as you can see, Mike Lake just moseying on in, trying to keep that proximity and then over the line. Great job by both drivers.
The question is, I've already asked you one question. I said, is Cam Martin scared of the wall?
It doesn't sound like an SR20 to me.
Oh, God, shit. Ooh. Huh. Oh, okay. Oh, all that. Let's go. Anyways, the bride seats are in. How sick are that? That looks good. I have to use a cushion because I legit just can't see. I'm a fucking midget. But dude, that is so dope. Look at that. That's cool. We're going to do some Toge test runs during the week, hopefully, and I'll tell you how they feel, give another update review, and see are they worth it. As you can see here, it's me hitting the Toge with the new bride seats. I think they look sick. I think they came out pretty well. You know, it's very Type R kind of style, but not Recaro. Yeah, it's 100% a yes, they are worth it. Anyways, this video was kind of like a mix. It was like a mix between fitness / basketball and cars. This is the two main things I love. So you'll see more gym videos and stuff like that. But yeah, anyways, thanks for the support I've been getting recently, surprisingly. Yeah.